On the banks of a winding river in a small German town, a tale of ambition and heartbreak begins. Two brothers, united by dreams and blood, would one day change the world of sport forever, but fate had other plans. In Herzogenaurach, life flows gently through green fields and old buildings. The villagers work hard, knowing their neighbors and sharing simple joys. It is the early 1900s, a time devoid of major sports brands and flashy logos, yet destiny has a story to unfold. Rudolf and Adolf Dassler, the two brothers at the heart of this tale, embody contrasting spirits. Rudolf the older exudes strength and confidence, while Adolf, affectionately called Addy, possesses a quieter, contemplative nature. He harbors a deep passion for shoemaking, ignited by their father. As children, they watch and learn the art of crafting shoes, dreaming of their future. Yet in a small town, dreams struggle against the weight of reality. Opportunities are scarce and money is tight. All they possess is each other and the burning desire to carve their. In 1919, Addy takes his first step toward his dream. He is not in a grand factory, but in his mother's wash house, where the scent of soap fills the air. With little light to guide him, he cuts leather and stitches soles, pouring his heart into every creation. He uses discarded materials, fashioning shoes that may not be perfect, but are imbued with love and care. Years later, Rudolf joins Addy, and the brothers establish the Dassler Brothers Shoe Factory. The name is unpretentious, yet it encapsulates their bond. Together, they complement each other. Rudolf possesses a silver tongue, selling their vision, while Addy's craftsmanship breathes life. As the factory begins to thrive, a flicker of hope ignites within Herzogenaurach. People start to wear their shoes and interest swells. Then, a pivotal moment arrives, one that propels their humble dream to a global stage. In 1936, the Olympic Games in Berlin capture the world's attention. Among the athletes, one stands tall, Jesse Owens, an American sprinter whose speed seems otherworldly. He wins 4 gold medals, leaving the crowd in awe. But behind the spectacle lies an unnoticed chapter. Before those iconic races, Addy Dassler visits Jesse in the Olympic Village, carrying a small bag of handmade running shoes. Addy offers them to Jesse, who slips them on and feels the difference instantly. With those shoes on his feet, Jesse Owens races to victory, forever linking the Dassler name to greatness. A young man from a modest wash house has crafted shoes for the fastest man alive. The brothers' story transcends local boundaries as orders pour in from around the globe. As the factory expands, so does the rift between Rudolf and Addy. Tensions simmer beneath the surface, a shadow forming that threatens to engulf their bond. The outbreak of World War II in 1939 shatters their lives. The factory shifts from crafting sports shoes to producing boots for soldiers. The joy of creation is replaced by the grim reality of survival. During this tumultuous time, the brothers drift further apart. The reasons remain murky. Some whisper of betrayals, while others point to unresolved business disputes. Their wives quarrel, trust erodes, and communication dwindles. By war's end, their factory stands intact amidst a wounded town, but the connection between Rudolf and Addy is irreparably shattered. Two brothers, once inseparable, are now mere strangers, their shared history fading into silence. In 1948, a painful decision looms. The brothers choose to split their company. Addy retains the main factory, rebranding it as Adidas, a fusion of his nickname and family name. He adopts the iconic 3 stripes, a symbol of strength and simplicity, focusing. Rudolf, undeterred, crosses the river to establish Puma on the opposite bank. With a name inspired by a fierce animal, he embraces competition and innovation, determined to carve his own path. What was once a united family now becomes 2 rival empires, dividing Herzogenaurach. Friendships fracture and communities split. Families align with Adidas or Puma, even football players choose sides, creating a town of bent necks where every glance. In the ensuing years, both brands soar to unprecedented heights. Adidas becomes synonymous with athletic excellence, adorning the feet of champions and everyday people alike. Its 3 stripes symbolize a legacy, recognized across continents. Meanwhile, Puma carves its niche, celebrated for style and speed, forming partnerships with elite athletes. The brothers, though rivals, remain tethered by their shared roots, 2 branches of the same tree, growing apart yet intertwined. As time passes, both Rudolph and Addie pass away, leaving behind a legacy steeped in rivalry and loss. They are buried in the same cemetery in Herzogenaurach, but separated by their choices. Even in death, the silence lingers, a testament to their fractured bond. Their story serves as a poignant reminder of what can be achieved through collaboration and the cost of letting silence grow. Every time a pair of Adidas or Puma shoes is worn, the essence of two brothers lingers, a lasting tribute to dreams born in a humble walk. Ultimately, their journey teaches a simple yet profound lesson. The greatest creations arise from unity, not division. In the echoes of their shared history, we find a call to bridge the gaps between us, to remember the power of connection, even against the tides of ambition. People we love, family and friends, are treasures beyond measure. Their presence on our journey is worth more than any argument, any rivalry, or any empire. As this chapter comes to a close, gratitude fills the air for the moments shared and the lessons learned. Learning English through stories is a beautiful adventure. Each tale enriches not just language skills, but deepens our understanding of the world. If this story resonated with you, share your thoughts. Reflect on which brother's journey touched your heart more. Pass this episode along to someone passionate about history or on their own path to learning English. Keep the door open to the next story and let curiosity lead you onward. Until we meet again, continue to listen, learn, and embrace the journey ahead.